Hello guys, welcome to my channel Curiosity Burnt My Kitchen. Today I have a new member with me. Leah, say hi. Hi guys. So today we are going to be making beet patties. This is a very good healthy patty that you can use in your burgers. You can use in a lettuce wrap. You can just eat it with any sauce you like. It can be eaten in many ways. So let's get started. So for your beetroot patties, you're going to require beetroot, of course. So I took one big beetroot and I've grated it. And I have taken one medium sized carrot which I have peeled and grated. I have taken one onion which I have chopped. I have one boiled potato. I have few mint leaves. I have salt. I have oregano and red chili powder. So for the seasoning, you can choose whatever you like. Here I have chosen oregano and red chili powder, and I have about 4 to 5 garlic cloves which are roughly chopped. So we are going to start off with a pan, and I put it on medium heat. I'm going to add some oil. We'll just wait for the oil to heat up a little. To this oil I'm going to add my garlic and I'm going to add my onion. मेरा एक मिनट लीव चला गया है, आप थोड़ा ध्यान रख देना. We'll just wait for our onions to get a little translucent. At this stage the onions have turned a little translucent, so I'm going to add in my carrots and I'm going to add in my beetroot, the key ingredient to our patty. You just have to let this cook for about a minute or two. You don't have to let it cook a lot. Now I'm going to add in my salt. I'm going to add the red chili powder and I'm going to add my oregano. That's it. I'm going to turn it off. And we are just going to let it cool down in the pan itself. You can take it out in a plate, but I don't want to wash a plate. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा आलसी हूँ, तो मैं इसमें ही ठंडा होने दूँगा. So now that you can see it's cooled down, I'm just going to squeeze out the excess water with the spoon that I've used. You don't need to go overboard on this. Just थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी निकल जाना चाहिए. And now we are going to put it on the bowl. Now I'm going to take my potato, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to mash it with my hands. I'm going to add in about half a cup of breadcrumbs and I'm going to add in my mint leaves, and now we're just going to mix everything with a hand. This is how you want all your vegetables to be incorporated. ये मिक्स करने के बाद ऐसे हाथ लेके बाहर मत चले जाना, पुलिस मर्डर के लिए पकड़ लेगी. Now on to our next step, we are going to start forming the shape of our patties. It totally depends on you how large you want it, how thick you want it. I'm going to leave it at this right now, and I'm going to coat it in breadcrumbs. Continue the same with the rest. See, this one I've made a little thicker. I have a new helper today. See, I've created like 3 different sizes and shapes. So here now we have a patty shaped and they are all ready to be fried on the pan. I'm not going to deep fry them, I'm just going to pan fry them slightly. You will see that in the process. So now here I have taken a pan, I have added some oil in it and I have put it on low flame. Please ensure that your flame is low and do not keep it on high, or your patties are not going to turn out good. So I'm just going to spread the oil all across the pan nicely, and I am going to take my patty and place it on the pan gently. You can put up to like 3 together. So you have to let this sit for about 2-3 minutes on each side, or whenever you see a good color on it. So now that they've been sitting for about 3 minutes, I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to use 2 spoons because मुझसे flip नहीं होता है. So see, they've got a nice brown color on it. It's turned nice and brown, and they're nice and soft from the inside as well. That is what I was looking for. And I'm just going to add a little more oil and just spread it around so that each patty has its own oil to cook in. So you have the option of deep frying this. You can either bake it in the oven, you can put it in the air fryer. There are a lot of options that you can use to make this. I prefer this because it consumes lesser oil than deep frying. It gives me a nice crunchy outside and a nice soft inside. So now it has been sitting for 3 minutes on both sides, and I'm going to take it off and I'm going to show you the color on both sides. Look at this, nice and brown. It's going to be nice and crunchy on the out, and the inside looks very soft. Now let's get to our taste test. Today for the taste test I have a special guest. I have Radhika aunty from my building. So let's get started.
Oh, it's really yummy.
You get the nice crust on the outside.
Yeah, it's nice and crispy, and there is a minty flavor to it, and it's really crispy from out, and from inside it's quite soft. So I really loved it.
That's what we were looking for, so I'm happy we've achieved that.
Yeah, I'm really happy to have it.
Hope you guys like the video. If you like the recipe, please like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And if you do end up making any of my dishes, then please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at CuriosityBurnedMyKitchen.